Hello, I'm Design Guy. Ready to create an eye-catching sports flyer in Canva step by step with me? Click Create, type Flyer, then select your preferred size from the options. Select Flyer Landscape, then go to Templates and choose a sports design. Select the sports flyer from the options shown. Select this design, then go to Elements to edit and customize it as needed. Select some recommended elements here. Type soccer elements into the search bar. Type soccer and search for graphics. Add the define statement here to proceed with the setup. Press Ctrl Z, then add this at the top of your document or page. Add this element here. No actionable content provided to create a script. Please provide a complete transcription. After finalizing your design, click Share, then Download. Choose PDF Print for the best print quality and proceed to save your file. Use CMYK for printing, then click Download to save your file. Now you know how to create a sporty flyer in Canva-like, and subscribe for more design tips.